Okay, for those of you who have seen my other video on this Douk audio phono tube amp, you would have known that that I didn't quite like it because it adds a bit of distortion to the louder parts of the audio signal for one reason or another. So as I mentioned in that other video, I was going to swap the tubes out for this made in America General Electric 5654Ws. Now this, from what I understand, based on my limited knowledge on tubes, is that this General Electric 5654Ws are generally regarded as an upgrade to similar tubes, which are, as I mentioned in the other video, 6AK5 in America, EF95 in Europe, or 6J1 in China and 6J1B in Russia. Now they all refer to the same tube design, it's just that every country has their own naming convention. So after I swapped this with the GE ones, that problem is gone, and now the music sounds very nice, and it's working as a proper phono preamplifier. Now I haven't drawn any conclusion between that and the existing audiophile grade phono box, which is obviously transistor based, but remember this though, this one costs 48 quid, whereas this one here costs about 70-ish, I think, if memory serves me right, maybe 80 to 90. Now Project sells another model which is called the Phono Tube Box, which, as you guess it, as its name implies, has got two tubes with it, and that one costs about 300 quid. So, you know, good things don't come cheap. Now, so I wouldn't expect this to sound, you know, better than the Project stuff, but for a cheap tube amp, it's certainly doing its job. So yeah, there you go. Now obviously the vinyl is playing now. I've got Brook Benton's Jazz in there. This is 180 gram audiophile grade vinyl pressed from Metal Master, but I can't put it on because otherwise YouTube's going to flag this video up for infringement. But I'm going to do it anyway for a few seconds before stopping the recording. So here we go. And I won't have to ask you again.